Okay, now so we're back in the video. So we see how we can fill these fields out. And what's really great is that we can add all these filters so that we can create a report or a list to filter our data based on the criteria that we want. We could also say something like is equal, not equal, greater than, less than, between. And the reason why it's using is greater than, because it knows that it's a number. And so the type of filter it's going to allow me to use is a number typing filter. So it can also be is between, right? So this will be the first and the second. So we go back and look at our data. So between $200 and let's say between 300 and 100,000. Let's do that. So 300 and 100,000. All right. So run that. And now we got people between 300 and 100,000 who like something that much. So just see, there we go. So we just kind of just basically created an app that basically tells us information based on a filter, or presented information based on a filter. So that's a way of filtering data. Like I said before, that's based on the fact that this count is a number. Now watch what happens if I change it to name. Now it is equal to, is not equal to, or contains. Contains is like, for example, I will show you here. I will go in here and let's see, let's create another one. The easiest way to show you. So I love potato chips 500, and then I say sour cream potato chips. No, so much. I'm gonna copy the sound to type it again, and then I'm gonna say Tom Yum potato chips. Everyone should like that one. I'm gonna give them 30,000. Yeah, right. Now everyone. Okay, so now what I can do with my filter is I can say contains potato chips. So when I run this, anything that has the word potato chips in it, which as we already had earlier, we saw it's Tom Yum potato chips, sour cream potato chips, and just potato chips. So let's run this again. And there we go. Tom Yum potato chips, sour cream potato chips, potato chips. Okay, I'm just going to stop right here, and we're going to continue in the next video. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.